How to see your incognito history on Google Chrome. Hello everyone, and let's get started. In Google Chrome, the browsing history and activity within the incognito mode are not recorded or saved locally on your device. Therefore, you cannot view the history of the website visited in incognito mode using the browser's built-in history feature. First of all, let's see how to access incognito mode. For that, you have to go to the three dots and type in Open Incognito Mode. Here are some essential notes regarding the incognito mode. The very first one is local history. While Chrome does not store the browsing history in the traditional sense during an incognito session, it does not mean that your activity is completely invisible. The website you visit as well as downloads and bookmarks are still saved locally on your device. So if you want to access it, you can go to the three dots and then on the history. This way you can see all of your websites, bookmarks and downloads. Your internet service provider, employer or the websites can still track your browsing activity. While Chrome does not save this information locally, it does not provide external parties from doing so. Likewise, there are third-party tools and services claiming to recover the incognito mode browsing history, but the effectiveness are questionable. So additionally, such using tools could compromise the privacy and security. So it is much important to understand the limitation of the incognito mode and use it accordingly. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.